Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about FinViz versus TradingView, which is the best trading platform. If you're choosing between FinViz and TradingView, here's what you need to know. FinViz is one of the most popular free stock screeners out there. It offers fast data visualization, heat maps, insider trading info, analyst ratings, and fundamental data, all in a clean, simple interface. It's especially great for US stocks and swing traders who want a quick market overview. However, free users get delayed data and the charting tools are fairly basic unless you upgrade to FinViz Elite. There's also limited global coverage, no mobile application, and fewer customization options. On the other hand, TradingView is all about depth and flexibility. It offers advanced customizable charts with over 100 indicators and 90 drawing tools. You can screen stocks, ETFs, forex, crypto, and futures using over 220 filters. Plus, there's a massive social trading community with over 50 million users. TradingView also includes backtesting, strategy scripting through PineScript, and works across web and mobile. But real-time data and some features require a paid plan, and not all brokers are supported for direct trading. So what's the verdict? FinViz is ideal if you want fast, easy screening for US stocks with no fuss. TradingView is perfect for those who want global access, advanced charting, and community-driven insights. FinViz is all about speed and simplicity. TradingView is depth and versatility. The choice is yours. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.